So while talking about the electronic photographic documentation in the last video clip, there are some uses of the computerized photographic uh, uh, documentation. These uses are uh, incorporation of photos in daily reports, uh, incorporation of photos in emergency reports, which can immediately be electronically transmitted. Incorporation of photos in schedules, meeting minutes, inspection reports, and progress reports. Incorporation in punch lists, and incorporation in dispute documentation. Okay, so next we will be talking about the new technology. Rather, if it is now not new anymore, but we still can discuss it. It is the building information modeling. So, so there are major trends coming to the forefront in the construction industry that will change the way contractors and their affiliate do business. So these trends employ practical methods used by the construction industry in managing projects from the planning stage to completion. So building information modeling is just one of those trends, and to date, it is being used by number of firms on a number of projects. So the industry is creating new contracts, defining true risks, and applying parameters to BIM usage. Uh, so at one level, BIM is a scalable model that represents the physical and functional features of the facility. At another level, it contains the estimate, the scheduling, uh, life cycle costing, and energy calculations. Today, the most used feature is called the clash detection, which allows the user to determine the physical issue or issues of space between two building pieces occupying the same space. Now we also have the mobile technology. So until recently, the industry considered only laptops as the definition of mobile technologies, even though cell phones have been in use for a number of years. Only in the last few years have they become complete computer platforms unto themselves and designated as smartphones. Uh, they have even spun off another category of mobile computing called tablets. So most modern tablets and smartphones offer similar functionality, with the exception that most tablets do not act as phones. Each manufacturer of the smartphones that also manufactures tablets as if tablets so the tablets replicates on both products. The major operating systems for these phones and tablets are Apple's iOS for phones and tablets, and Samsung's OS for phones and tablets, and Microsoft Windows for all three platforms. So desktops, phones, and tablets. The second largest smartphone and tablet OS is called the Android, and is the Google software product. So Google does not manufacture a smartphone or tablet, but does supply the operating system for others. So Google does produce a laptop running Chrome operating system, and also has one of the most popular browsers, also named Chrome. So the use of mobile technologies. Mobile devices, that is, phones and tablets, have paved the way for smaller and more specific uh, applications that run on these devices. They have created a new category of software called apps, which handle very specific tasks and directed applications. So this movement to small specific applications was brought on because both smartphone and other tablet internal computer parts and batteries continue to evolve into higher technically advanced systems that are smaller in size. The screen sizes vary from small to almost laptop sizes. Each new phone or tablet that is introduced each year comes with more computer power and more battery life. So there are certain advantages of mobile technologies. Uh, a quick review of the advantages of smartphones and tablets bring to the construction process can be broken down into two categories: communication and information retrieval. Uh, and project people can now send and receive many different types of information instantly. This has changed some perspectives on possible time response by a team member to an inquiry. It can be instantaneous. Additionally, project personnel have the ability to take a photo, even a large number of photos, all of high quality, and send them instantly. So job site documentation has not uh, been uh, better. Not only do these devices allow writing documentation, they can be used to dictate and verbally describe items. Conversations can be recorded to eliminate future questions. Tablet interfaces have been developed for ease of use, so even the largest hands can operate these devices successfully. As BIM continues to develop and is used on the job site, tablets become the interface from the model to the field. Most more and more applications will be found for these devices as technology continues to advance. With this said, the human factor still plays an integral part in the use of advanced communication technology in the construction process. As quickly as information and communication can be delivered with smartphones, tablets, and laptops, it is up to the team member to respond in a timely fashion. Maybe research has to be done before an inquiry can be answered, or maybe the device has been turned off for practical reasons and voicemail has been implied. It is still up to the team member to be responsible for the flow and completion of the project at hand. So, summary of this topic. Uh, the construction industry has long embraced computer technology. Computerized accounting was the first computer application adopted in the contractor's office, leading to computerized cost control and cost accounting. This was quickly followed by project planning and scheduling software. As hardware prices dropped, word processing was adopted by most businesses. The use of computers to aid in estimating process has been slower in coming, but today's contractors are using some form of computerized estimating. Some use of spreadsheets for estimating summaries, while larger companies use complete software packages. So the remaining major areas of computer adoption are communications and networking, contract and document management, and photographic documentation. Plans and specifications are being produced using computer-aided drafting programs and are being distributed over the internet. So modeling of construction projects is being implemented slowly and steadily and will become the next big area that will influence the way we manage projects. So almost every construction periodical has an article on BIM. The widespread use of web-based tools will be the catalyst for continuing advancement in collaboration on the job site.